How to fix an overheating laptop. Below are some tips on how to fix an overheating laptop. Clean the vents. Overheating can be caused by dust and dirt buildup in the vents. To clean the vents, you can use a can of compressed air or a vacuum cleaner. Use a cooling pad. A cooling pad can help to keep your laptop cool by providing additional airflow. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces. Soft surfaces, such as your bed or a couch, can block the vents and prevent airflow. Keep your laptop in a cool environment. Avoid using your laptop in hot or humid environments. Close unnecessary programs. When you have a lot of programs open, your laptop has to work harder to keep up, which can lead to overheating. Update your drivers. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause overheating problems. You can update your drivers by going to the website of your laptop's manufacturer and downloading the latest drivers for your model. Undervolt your CPU. Undervolting your CPU can help to reduce the amount of heat that it produces. To undervolt your CPU, you can use a program like Intel Extreme Tuning Utility, XTU. Reapply thermal paste. Thermal paste helps to transfer heat from the CPU to the heatsink. If the thermal paste is old or has dried out, it can no longer transfer heat effectively, which can lead to overheating. If you have tried all of these things and your laptop is still overheating, you may need to take it to a technician for further diagnosis. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Overheating can damage your laptop's components. If your laptop is overheating, it may slow down or even shut down. If you are experiencing overheating problems, it is important to fix them as soon as possible.